Hello students and families, and welcome to 8th grade Global Studies. So this is a quick tutorial video to kind of walk you through how to use Google Sites if you are new to it, or a refresher if you have used it in the past but need some refreshing on how to navigate it. So we'll be using Google Sites to communicate to both students and families this year. And you've already seen this page since this is where you found the video you are currently watching. This is the welcome page. Couple different links here, a link to Google Classroom that mostly students will utilize, and then of course the link here that you clicked on to watch this video. There are several subpages though that you will navigate through. There are 6 different subpages right now. I may be adding subpages throughout the year, and I'll keep you up to date if that is the case. But to navigate the subpages are as easy as clicking on the different links. So you see the course syllabus, intro to course, contacting me, course resources, a link to my blog, and then some information on current events. So the first one I want to talk about is the intro to course, which is a video that I uploaded to our Google site. I used VoiceThread to create this, so if you're not used to VoiceThread, I'm going to give you or if you're not familiar with VoiceThread, I should say, I'm going to give you a short little tutorial as well. Basically, this is a Google slideshow, and each slide has some narration attached to it, and to listen to the narration, you just click the play button right here. And once this slide is done playing, which you can see it's 45 seconds long, you just click the forward button to the next slide, and then there will be some narration to that one as well too. So this introduction to course video not only introduces you to Global Studies as a course, but also gives you some information about me, Mr. Peltier. The other tab I want to point out to you is the course resources. This one is going to be updated frequently throughout the year, since this is where we're going to be storing most of the resources we use in Global Studies. I use Symbaloo to organize our resources. You can see a lot of the resources here that we'll be using quite frequently, a couple different resources here, and then some other resources just to kind of give you an idea of what we'll be doing in Global Studies. This will be a website, a resource page that will update quite frequently. So make sure you check back on that. And finally, I want to point out the link to the teacher blog. This is where I'm going to try to break down that communication barrier that can happen between home and school by updating my blog, and I'll be using Google Blogger, which there's a link to my blog right here, to communicate to both students and families about what's going on in Global Studies, including upcoming project deadlines, assessments, parent-teacher conferences, stuff like that will be posted here. So hopefully this video gave you a good overview of how to navigate through it. As always, you can contact me with additional questions just by clicking on Contact Mr. Peltier. It'll give you a link to my email address and a voicemail number and some office hours where I am available. Looking forward to a great school year. Once again, if you have any additional questions or concerns, contact me.